What is up, guys? This is Vortex here. I'm gonna show you how to take apart your Xbox 360 wireless network adapter. Okay. First, step 1. What you're gonna need is a butter knife. Unfortunately, I don't have mine with me. I always use for stuff like this. But you see how I did that right there? I just pulled it off. I just popped it off. It's pretty hard to do, but anyways, it should resemble something like this on the inside. Now, pop that piece out first, and turn it over. Grab it by the wire, as of course I can't do it because I have both my hands. I have one of my hands tied up. And ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and move these out the way up here. Okay, now, as you can see right now, see the golden piece right there, little golden piece. That piece can pop off. Just to put it to you, it can pop off. See, ta-da! Okay, now. Show you, we can go back on. I will put it back on. I'm not gonna put it back on this in this video. Now, we want to make sure that little wire right there is nice and tight in there, or as so. Take it out, blow in it, put it back in. And see, watch. As of course mine glows red because of I don't have a proper one. This one's broken for me. I'm not gonna do it today, but yeah, that one's broken. And if you want to, if you can still pop this back on, it'll fit too back in there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This is my first video. Comment on what you want me to do next, because I will do it. And thank you for watching.